Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Simple To-Do List template and walk you through its features. This template is perfect for anyone who wants a clean, simple, and effective way to stay organized without dealing with complicated productivity tools. Everything is on one single page, so it's quick to understand and easy to start using right away. It's available for both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, and comes with 4 different themes: pastel, nature, ocean, and dark theme, so you can pick the style that motivates you the most. Let's start with the main table where you'll enter your tasks. In the task column, you simply type the tasks you want to complete. As you add tasks, the number column automatically fills in, so you can instantly see how many tasks you've added. Next to that is the notes column, where you can add extra details, reminders, or instructions related to each task. In the priority column, there's a drop-down menu with 3 options: low, medium, and high. Each level has a different color, making it easy to quickly identify which tasks are most important. Finally, in the Done column, there is a checkbox. When a task is completed, simply check the box, and the task will automatically be crossed out and faded, helping you clearly see what's finished and what still needs attention. Above the table, you'll find the Daily Quote section. This is a customizable space where you can write your own motivational quote, affirmation, or reminder for the day, giving you a positive start and clear intention each morning. Above that, the template also includes automatic calculations to help you track your progress. You'll see today's date, total tasks, completed tasks, and open tasks, all updating automatically as you work through your list. There's also a donut progress chart showing your completion rate, with the percentage displayed in the center, so you can instantly see how much of your list is finished and stay motivated. This template allows you to add up to 100 tasks and is designed for lifetime use. Once you reach 100 tasks, you can simply delete tasks and start again, duplicate the sheet to keep previous records, or copy the file to archive your lists. Please keep in mind that Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel are very similar but not exactly the same, so the template may have slightly different visual appearances depending on which platform you use. The features and functionality remain identical, but small visual differences may occur, and it's important to keep this in mind for all of our templates. If you'd like to take a closer look at this template, you can find the link in the video description. And if you liked this template and want to see more productivity planners, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.